Hey, what's up, Telcoin holder? After a long time, my brother, this time the Telcoin is update is on the screen now, my brother. So let's see, my brother. In this video, I will talk about my friend the holder decision. They will starting selling, buying, holding. What we need to do, my friend, in this current time. Definitely, I will clearly, my brother, everything share now. So please remember to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. The live price prediction, my friend, absolutely I will doing in this time. But kindly, you need to, my brother, first of all, see the change occurring. The last 1 hour, last 2 days going to be very bad now. I don't know why, but my friend, and last 24 hours, all crypto market is moving in upward direction. But I can't expect this, my friends. You can see your Telcoin is falls down, so that's a very bad now, my brother. And this time you can see, my brother, Telcoin has get profit, my brother, and last 7 days 30%. Oh my goodness, it's a very huge profits now. Wow, that's superb, my brother. You can see here they take a very huge jumps now, my brother, in the start of this week. But my brother, in last 2 to 3 days, my friends, they will completely falls down and they cannot give you a profit. Definitely it's a very bad news, my brother. So they will falls down, and I hope, my brother, in upcoming time they will give you a profit, but just in only if you hold it now. So what you want, my friend, and what you are going to do, selling, holding, or buying? My opinion is to please hold, and what's your opinion? Share it in a comment box. Allah Hafiz, take care, see you next time.